2000 lifted up Ford Excursion, and it's a limited edition four-wheel drive with thousands and thousands of dollars invested, professional suspension lift. And it has the 7.3 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine, the cold air intake system, and it has some aftermarket aluminum alloy wheels with 38 on 14.5-inch Toyo MT open country mud terrain tires. It's got the pull-out tow mirrors, tinted privacy glass in the rear. It has the trailer tow package, and it has the barn doors in the rear with the hatch that opens up as well. The paint is all in great condition. It's like a dark green with a tan goldy bottom and fender flares. So being limited, it's fully loaded. So it has power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, heated mirrors, leather, power heated seats, automatic transmission. It has a flip-out DVD screen, air conditioning, cruise control, turn dial, four-wheel drive. It has 256, 589 for kilometers. And third row seating, and it also has a flip down rear DVD in the back there with a PlayStation, so kids can play video games while they're driving. And you can view this lifted 7.3 liter Ford Excursion diesel at Kolenberg Motors at 3537 Couch and Lake Road in Duncan.